The ASFP is the world's largest trade association representing the passive fire industry. We have members in the UK, Ireland, Europe, Middle East and America.
The mission of the ASFP is simple. It's to raise the quality of the design, commissioning, manufacture and installation of passive fire protection in buildings to make the world a safer place.
Passive fire protection is a thing it's intangible, it's not seen. You can't see the passive fire protection measures that there are in this room right now. But conversely, if there's a fire scenario, you need them to work and you need them to be there and to operate and function properly, because if they don't, fire's going to spread and a nasty situation is going to get an awful lot worse quickly.
We always look at ourselves as being an industry that is about life safety. It's critical that the fire protection, the passive fire protection that's built into to buildings, it is fit for purpose and is appropriately designed, installed and then managed over the time of the life of the building.
Values of the ASFP are passion for passive fire protection and to ensure it satisfies the needs of its members.
ASFP's plans going forward is to expand its membership up and down the construction supply chain, everything from designers and architects through to the traditional markets that we already serve in terms of manufacturers, consultants and contractors, through to end users, facilities managers.
The value of the ASFP to the wider construction industry is one of trust.
It's a focal point for all passive fire protection matters.
The ASFP logo, whether that's attached to a company providing a service or a product provided by a company in the field of passive fire protection, should mean something, and it should mean that company, that product has been appropriately evaluated. They operate to industry best practice, and as a result the purchaser of that service or product can rely on the product or system or the installation to do the thing that it was provided to do.
I would always choose an ASFP member organisation over a non-member organisation, because I know the levels and the things that an ASFP member organisation has had to achieve in order to get that membership, including third-party certification for its products or for its installation activities, and going forwards an increased level of training and hopefully competence as part of ASFP's membership systems going forwards.
If you're choosing an ASFP company, they are going to be highly knowledgeable, and for installers they will be third-party certificated. In addition, ASFP members regularly meet together in the technical forums to derive the technical guidance that we put out on behalf of the industry. So they get involved, and that's for their benefit and the benefit of the whole industry.
ASFP is the members. It's the collective of all of our members, from manufacturers to contractors to associate members, individual members.
One of the most important things about being a member is that there is an enormous amount of legislation related to fire and to passive fire that is there in the knowledge base, but the role of the ASFP is to get that knowledge into bite-size and easy to understand communication. We have been members for approximately 15 years. We joined primarily because it was the only one of its type that I can recall organisations that was as passionate as we were in terms of raising the bar, increasing and improving the standards that were out there in terms of passive fire protection.
As a company in Williams are very passionate about passive fire protection, and we take it very seriously. We want to continue, we want to consistently deliver higher standard and fully compliant works. And what better way than to be part of an organisation that brings industry experts together and professionals from the field to strive for the same thing, for best practices and gold standards. So that was why we're members of the ASFP. We've been members now for just over 3 years.